Reach out for your curtains and your sheets. Sheet and curtain! Sheet and curtain!
Sheet and curtain, sheet and curtain. That is what Andre Stevens are selling at the moment to people. So I want to reach out to Andre Stevens and support Andre Stevens' business. You understand what I say? He must sell sheet and he must sell curtain and he must go have a whole heap of other stuff during the Christmas period. So I want to support him business, reach out to him or reach out to Auntie Claudette. And I want to make an order. You understand what I say? Bless up to my viewers and my subscribers them. I hope everybody having a blessed and a wonderful day. Now my viewers and my subscribers, remember, in everything you do, always put God first. In every and any situation, always remember to call upon God. Always remember to pray, because a prayer day keep the devil away. Now my viewers and my subscribers, this is no joke. You understand what I say? This is no joke what is going on in Jamaica and around the world. This is a wake-up call. This, what is going on right now, is a wake-up call. You ever see so much disaster they hit Jamaica before? You ever see so much disaster they rock Jamaica? Come on, people. This is definitely a wake-up call. And if you don't agree with me, say this is a wake-up call, then leave a like on this video and let me know down in the comment section. Once you don't agree with me, say this is a wake-up call, then leave a like on this video and let me know down below in the comment section. Now my viewers and my subscribers, Andre Stevens attack the Commissioner of Police and exposing people. Alice also get exposed inside this video along with other stuff, along with the flooding that took place yesterday and over the past few days. People, I'm going to say this again, and I don't know if people blind to what is going on, but there is a wake-up call. There's a wake-up call for Jamaica. And this ain't no joke. This ain't no joke, people. God, I want Jamaica. Because Jamaican turn them back upon God. Be a disaster start reach Jamaica. The other day, it was an earthquake. Now, a flood. Now, a flood. Watch what's coming next. It's a tsunami. Watch and see. It's a wake-up call we get. So people, we need to turn away from our evil and wicked ways and turn to God. We need to turn away from the evil and wicked ways and turn to God. Give him all the glory. Give him all the praise. Stop praising Wobbe man and Wobbe woman. Give God the glory. Give God the praise. Love each other. People, I'm going to play this video. But before I play this video, I would appreciate if you all would leave a like on this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're a new viewer the first time on my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell. So whenever we drop new content, you will be first to be notified. Share the content and leave your opinion down below in the comment section. People, make we jump straight into the video.
The internet gone. The internet gone. Good night, everyone. How is everyone doing? The rain falling very hard. The rain falling super hard. I feel it for the people of Jamaica. But Prophet Mark Stewart 2 weeks ago did tell we say it coming now. 2 weeks ago, Prophet Mark Stewart warned Jamaica and say a great flood is going to come to Jamaica. Two weeks ago, to be exact. He was unalive and the people them had done him. Had done him, I talk about him political and him this and him that and him rear and him tape. See it there now? The flood come. And no found no house a leak. No found no house full of leakage. No found you can't even watch me tonight because the internet have to catch up somewhere. The rain a fall like whoa. All the people in St. Thomas, at 24 of them I forget released from helicopter today, you know. 24 of them. 24 of them I forget released from helicopter. JDF have to go in, they go take them out. 24 of them I forget released by helicopter today. Me drink my water. Ah, Jesus. As I'm saying to you, a lot of people are marooned. A lot of people are marooned by the flood waters. And the water is plenty. Jamaica never expected, or many of us never expected this water, you know. Many of us never expected this water. Only did they expect it? Who did expect this water? Show a hand. A lot of people never expected these waters. But the waters are here. The water is troubled, my friend. Step right in. But when Mark Stewart did talk, enough people say I'm a false prophet. But him did warn you know, and telling us a great flood a come and see the flood come there now. What else him a go warning about and then I go take heed? What else him a go warning about and then I take heed? Me and a pastor, me and a prophet, me and an apostle, me is just a teacher. But I can tell you, say some more things are going to come to this country before the end of the year. Earthquake come, flood come. Earthquake come, flood come. You pray so no tsunami no come here. You pray no tsunami no come here. Pray no tsunami no come here. Because if a tsunami ever come, if a tsunami ever come, rock up and shake up. Bangarang, bangarang, bangarang. If a tsunami ever come, bangarang in a Jamaica. coming. Ready or not, he's coming again. When you hear me say to you, whether you ready or not, my Jesus is coming. The music now play and it a trigger me. But unless we're going today at courthouse. Unless we're going to courthouse today for the Commissioner of Police. The Commissioner of Police should have shame. Shame. When I used to call him Gugu Gaga. Gugu Gaga, a monkey that. The Commissioner of Police, the one who go and like say, model. Like him a Saints model or Pulse model. Cause him model more than how him commission police. Him model more than how him do the police work. Him model pan the job, him do this, him do freeze, and him do this, and him do that, and him do... Unnecessary Rowan James backs up the boy in him face. Backs up the boy. Backs up him in him face in a courthouse today. The judge say Rowan James will go back at work. Rowan James will go back at work. You remember when them interdict Rowan James because him talk up the things them, oh the police them now get the overtime money and everything, and them send him for an interdiction. Well, the judge said Rowan James will go back at work. So what them a gonna do ya now? What them a gonna do ya now? Goo ga monkey that. Good judge still in the system. Good judge still in the system. So when the things that become the pay of the judge them, only things that the judge that got rule in our favor and not see how God at work. Only say arts to Rowan James. Congratulations, Rowan James. Send up some art for Rowan James and the police them. Forget justice. The police them will walk night and day and can't get no justice. And if I were Rowan James, I would have sue him backside. Sue him backside, Rowan James. Sue him backside. Rowan James sue them backside. Them too wicked. Sue them backside. Send up some art for Rowan James. Time come, Rowan James. Time come. And everybody when I develop file for Rowan James. But him a PMP. Time come. Time come. Time come. Everybody want to go to the backside. Down to the rain. No say time come for you to come out of this back. Send up some art for Rowan James. Send up some art. Send up some art for Rowan James. Only never know say time come. Only the things that today. Only they go win in a courthouse. No more. No more victory for no. No more victory for the oppressor and the Pharaoh. Pharaoh must come down. I'm why everybody there on time come. Time come to take out them backside. Take them out. Take them out. Them too evil. Them too wicked. Them uncaring. They're uncouth. They're unethical. When a speaker of a house can say she not release to report them. When you have good lawyers that on the side and they can win case, tell them time come. I want God shake up Jamaica house and garden house. Shake up. And Mark Golding, your time a come. I hope you don't think so you're going to do the foolishness like that one. You don't think you're going to get away with it, you know. No, come think so you're not going to get no chance. And a dolly house. If you do nothing more to win, you know. When Mrs. Rowan James beat the case to them, I say, look upon the idiot commissioner of police. What an embarrassment a commissioner of police lose in a courthouse. What an embarrassment a good commissioner. You say you're a good commissioner of police. Said liar couldn't. And Patria Rowe, or whatsoever your name. Mr. Rowe, you were yes, you are the next one. You, Patria Rowe, whatsoever your name, Asaf a Powell friend. Mr. Rowe, you are the next one. Your time are coming, you know. The whole of the police, them are talk about you, you know. Mr. Rowe, Dennis Brooks, you are the next one. Turn superintendent in our. And the way. I do what? Only turn police force in a one kunumono business. Police force turning a one kunumono business. I pay a friend and company in a police force. Pay a friend and company. Ask on a police friend them. I pay a friend and company get promotion in a police force. And you should have shame on yourself. Wanna call in quick. 995-5301. Nine 5301. I remember the sheet and curtain them ago. On the call in, man. Call in pan the program. The place cold and my mouth hurt because you don't know, so I don't have no teeth. Don't leave me alone, let me drink something now. If I drink a ginger beer, let me drink my ginger beer and I'm going to take my medication. Hello, good night.
Hello?
Yes, good night. Come the man in the calling on the program now. Me I drink my water once in a while. I can't drink a ginger beer or something. Everything me talk about over and you know, we just can't drink that sweet thing. I mean, no no concern, but sometimes I can make a cheat. Me a human being too. Nobody now call me tonight. Nobody now call me tonight. Me nah no music, man, the music now. The boring knee. Nobody now call me for entertain me. Hello, good night.
Good night, teacher.
Good
How
night.
you doing?
Me there watch the rain, you know, boy. Me say some rain a fall at Jamaica, yeah. Mark Stewart, they tell we say the rain a coming up, but none of them never believe it, you know. I know the rain come, me I tell you, say, eh?
I get to share tomorrow, Turks and Caicos.
Oh, Turks and Caicos, I get full share tomorrow.
Yes.
From yesterday rain a fall at Jamaica. It no normal.
My God. But just come up to say big up to Mr. James. You know, they are listening out. And
You're glad for Mr. James?
Yes, man.
All right.
Time come. All right.
Time
Take care.
come. Let me answer Miss Sweeney. Yes, Miss Sweeney, good night.
Good night, dear. My parish is washing away with water.
Which parish is that?
Portmore, but it's actually Newland, and they call it Portmore. They're trying to change the name.
Newland.
Water. Yes.
Newland in a Portmore or Washway?
Yes, with plenty water.
Plenty water.
Mm-hmm. And by the way, I'm glad Mr. Rowan James get back his
Job.
And I think everyone now should just step down. That one Google Gaga is no police. He's twisted mouth man. He ain't no police.
You say him no good commissioner of police.
No, it's the worst thing. The man only go when there's a crime, something solved, and he gone in his big ride and walking like he's King Kong.
You say the commissioner walk like him a walk King Kong?
Yes.
King Kong, so that means him a walk like him up and brave.
Like him with his chest pull out and everything. It look like him changing and get new suit every time he go on a crime.
So you say every time he go up on a crime, it's like him put on a new suit?
Yes, the police need new car. They need petrol in their car. They need rifles. They need protective gear.
The body cameras,
the
them?
hospital is in a mess. The hospital in a mess. Let me tell you, my aunt died last year at 99. And the family have to bring in sheet, pillowcase, everything to her in Spanish Town Hospital. And they have to give the family, the family have to give the nurses, the day nurse, to look at her, and the night nurse. Thank God she didn't only live a week. To keep an eye on her at 99. People there are suffering in Spanish Town Hospital.
Really, Miss Winnie? So what else you say about the commissioner of police now?
I would like to take him and throw him down in the deepest well there is.
Really?
He's no good. He's no police. He cannot police Jamaica. I would bring back Adams.
You want back Mr. Adams?
Yes. And if Adams would never let what going on in Jamaica happen. Because he knows every crook and every corner. But because Adams do not suck up to lollipop, he don't get back his position.
So who is the lollipop? Andrew Holness?
I said he did not suck up to a lollipop.
So who suck up to lollipop?
I said Mr. Adams have not suck up to lollipop. That's why they don't pick him.
So who has suck up to lollipop?
Andrew want this, you know. Andrew want this crime and things to go on, you know.
Yes.
He really wants it. Look at what the Chinese are bringing into Jamaica. Rice with rat. Weeble.
Really?
And selling it to us, plastic rice. Who bring them in? Who allow them to bring them in? The Prime Minister. Because he give them the go-ahead They don't charge them anything at the port. They come straight through.
Wow.
And when you, as a person, send something to Jamaica, you're lucky if you don't get half the barrel back. It happened to me. We sent something to Jamaica and I was down there. When I went in the port, the man said, there's a barrel with your name on it. When I opened it, there was nothing in it. Andrew, everything gone.
Wow.
They did not even leave a sardine. There's too much corruption at the port. The port is cut. They don't thief in the day, they thief at night, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, have a good night, son.
All right, Miss Sweeney, bless you. Miss Sweeney said them thief at the port at daytime, not nighttime. Remember, say me have the sheet and curtain them. No found the woman no fi match up in our house. Look find the combination here. This nice, don't it? Olive with olive and gold. Who like the combination here, the curtain them? Olive curtain with olive and gold curtain. Only $5,000 for 2 panel. 2,500 per panel. Alright? You don't like it? If you don't love it, tell me. See me the blending the yellow with the grey and the thing here. See how my bedroom nice? All of that blend is my bedroom color blocking. All of that color blocking nice. So, see a sheet here with even the olive and the yellow. You get 4. Say the olive you could have used back that said sheet here. See another olive here you could use. You could use this color with it. If you want the richer, thicker curtain, another 5,000, give you these 2 sheets, these. Yes, Miss Penny, good night.
Oh, long time, how are you?
I am good, Miss Penny. How are you on the rain?
Well, I'm trying to keep safe. You know, I'm enjoying it. I'm happy to know that you're coming on and you're okay.
Yes.
I was so worried for you. Yes, my prayers are answered.
Yeah,
Yes,
man, me I get back strong, man. Them can't hold me down with them witchcraft and them obia.
You know.
Yes.
Once you're a child of God, you just have to hold on and keep on believing in Him. You understand?
Yes.
Trust and believe in Him. Yeah.
But you're keeping
you know
good
what?
though.
Yes, I am, you know. I'm giving thanks. Giving thanks. And you know what? I'm so happy that all our prayers have been answered for
Mr. James.
Sergeant James, yes, Mr. James. Yes, thank you. You know,
Yes,
because
man.
it is so unfair.
What
I'm
they
so
did to
happy
Mr.
for him.
James.
Yes, man. It is, you know, so unfair.
But he's back on the work Monday morning.
You see? Oh,
Back on the work and him a go put pressure upon them, pepper them backside. Pepper them. I want him all in a meeting with the commissioner of the police and the commissioner of police have to shut him out. Him backs up the commissioner of police in a court. Backs him up. Backs him up and some boy gonna get backs up in another court case.
I tell you, God is good.
Alright, Miss Penny Cook, thank you for calling, yeah?
Yes. Yes, man, and you take care of yourself.
Yes, Miss Penny Cook, bless you. See See our next combination here. Who like this? Tonight me I do earth tone colors. Who like this combination? If you don't like it, you can call Auntie Claudette at 426-2281. And we have ivory curtains as well. If you want ivory / cream, I have ivory curtains as well. Ivory with this said greenish, sageish, olive. See the colors here of the ivory and the thing. Look good, don't it? Who like those combinations? Hello, good night.
Good night, Andre.
Yes?
You can beg another chance for the woman.
Who?
You can't beg a chance for her. Everybody deserves a second chance.
Miss Alice?
Yeah.
But if Miss Alice did want a chance, should I go to the training?
Probably she never... probably ashamed she make she not go.
So if she not go to the training, we can't help her, my love. Everybody, that was her second chance in life.
I feel it fair.
You feel it fair?
The whole of them used to be kind of Thailand never ordered. The whole of them used to be it, yeah?
Oh, you know, so the whole of them used to do it.
Used to be kind of Thailand never did it. So when them go.
Probably them keep it up. Probably them keep it up. They must keep it up, my love.
No, sir.
Or them go for Ministry of Education go do it.
Or them can find somewhere else to see them. Or probably they still got to cover all damn problem of a mess. So all them have to do just find somewhere to see.
All Alice need to do, all Alice need to do, I go set up her soup at somewhere else.
Yeah.
Our customer them we find her.
Yeah.
Alright?
That's all, yeah. True.
Set up our soup at our gate, our customer them we find her.
Yeah, true.
I'm going to do the training and get the food handler's permit. You understand?
Yeah.
Because why she never get for go back out there is because she never got the training.
Okay.
It's not like say them say she can't come back, but as she not go to the training.
Okay. That makes you feel away.
Alright, but even if you feel away, take the shame out of your eye and go on. Put on sitting over your face and go on at the training. Make them say you come and and create media friends and say you come and them never want to let you in for do the training. You know what Jamaican would have sympathy for her then? But some of them don't think.
Yeah, true.
Some of them don't think, and Alice.
Too bad. Them live too bad. And the bad living.
And the bad living cause it.
Everything. The bad living.
Look like you know Alice. You know Alice?
No, I don't say that somebody I know, but watching it on the TV, I just feel away from her. But no, say, look like she used to help them. And them know them. Because I hear the girl where bring her down her knees. And I really bring to bring her down. But her knees, them knees. Them says her knees.
I want to say, so the whole of all this, so
Family,
it's family them. The whole of them are family. Family them.
Family.
All of them are family. From Munchi go right down to Alice are family. The whole of them combined somewhere down the line.
Yeah, them say family.
Alright, bless up yourself, yeah?
Pick up yourself, yeah.
A family them for true. Cause Munchi sell beside for sister sell beside one cousin sell beside one cousin. And I saw it go down the line. So I don't know from which part Munchi sell to which part Alice there. who is who and who is what and what is what. But the whole of them is family for true. Reach out for your curtains and your sheets. Sheet and curtain! Sheet and curtain! You'll see me back on Sunday night. God bless you all. Keep well, keep positive, and keep safe. Good night, Jamaica.